I'm with Matinde is always laughing. She's always happy. Guys, I'm with Matinde and we are at the market. I'm going to get cabbages. Nyabohanze market. And I'm going to get some ingredients. We cook something good. Something simple but good. So this is Matinde. Hey guys. But it's okay. I was worried about the music. I forgot about it. But I hope YouTube will. We just go.
But I usually prefer
Mambo. Nataka ni shikamo. Mambo iko rude kidogo.
Mambo anakuwa like mkungu mkoro ika mambo.
But if I say mambo, it's like it's very rude.
Yeah, like she see that somehow age mate.
Yeah, some people understand though, but they'll definitely know I'm a visitor.
Yeah, sasa ndina like inamwalat like she's not from here.
Yeah, so I need cabbages. Are you many? Are there many people there?
There are
Fundis are there?
Yeah, there are 4. 2 fundis, 2 handmen.
Okay. Plus us.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
And maybe extra
and
too.
My girl is coming from school. 7.
And maybe some extra too.
Yeah,
so in case.
8.
So tunataka eka ya ngapi?
Yake ukubi mama.
Eka 20 tuone. Oh God.
It's good. You see how our market is though I so congested because it's Johnny Jafika. It's usually
very congested.
The evening and market days, Wednesday and Friday.
We are recording. Okay, just put it in.
Okay.
Tomato. Hii ni pesa ngapi? 20 bob. I want to carry this Kisumu. Kisumu one like this 10 bob.
That's it.
Sasa kama hivi tatu. Si uniwekee nyanya basi. That's enough.
So you tell cook, madam.
We add more, you know.
Let's add for 1.
Yeah. You know it's cabbages and there's no beef, so we need red soup.
Thank you. Now this is the
Kitungu. That's the that one is good.
Yeah. Ametongeza.
Okay, thank you.
Kwa hii itaendelea
That we are also going to pick avocados.
Gani ndo mama nzuri akizijangi kuchagua imagine this.
This one is this one is good.
Yeah. Even this one is 30 bob. But just
what about the green ones?
This is mega. Mama for that.
I think
this one is
that's okay. Then we buy rice. Yeah, it has some rice smell on it. Gani tatutosha? This one. This.
Hiyo ni ngapi unauza mia? Gani?
300.
Hiyo ni kilo.
This is 300.
Sinaona hii net 1 kg. No.
Bado. Si alirudi leo ama jana?
Mimi ndio kama nilikuwa na
inside. Guys, my phone is going off, but I'm here at Matinde's home. And I want to cook. They are building the house. Very nice house. Big surprise. Abari, hello. Three and 3/4. Kona. Shakwa big sister. So what's going on here is I want to cook rice, and because I've been cooking rice so many times, I don't know if I need to explain, but I'll need to explain for the new people. So normally I measure the rice. My rice today was this cup, like 3 and 3/4, like almost 4. So my water is going to be 8 cups of water, and I'm going to soak the rice first. I soak the rice first. This guy is shouting, so I also have to shout. Okay, let me let him finish so that I continue. Okay, so normally I have to, it's good to soak the rice, especially these rice that not so much good quality. So my rice, I measure it. This one was like almost 4 cups. Then I measure 8 cups of water, 4 1 to 2. Yeah, then I soak the rice and I let it boil. I add salt and cooking oil, then I put in the rice. I can't wait for them to eat. The building the whole day, and I think they had something at lunch, but I'm still happy to cook for them here.
Huyo jamaa ndio hiyo redio yake afungulie.
Then I add salt.
Eti sasa amevuta masikio huko nje. Kufanya nini?
Salt always has to be enough, guys.
Make sure amefikiria. Kuja na kuja. Watakuja.
Guys, I don't have a spoon. This is a construction site. It's so much fire, so I'm removing some so that the rice can dry. Wow, it's a lot of fire now. When I wanted it to light like this, it wasn't. Now it's going crazy. I just want the rice to cook well. And we don't have a spoon, so this is my spoon. Just sidhani kama inasho. And guys, I haven't carried my kitchen utensils because they are very heavy. With the bicycle, it's very heavy. I feel like my back is now getting old quick. Then I add salt. Enough salt. Olive looks a lot, but it's not. Don't have a spoon, guys. When the rice was cooking, it was too much. Guys, you know, Matilde has a stove. It's like a stove that has been created here in the house. But right now, today, the floors are still wet. So that's why I'm using this. So next time, if I come cooking here, I can't wait to try the stove. The onions are green. They look black on the phone, but they are green. So I'll just let it, oh my god, it's been a long day. This is the second time I'm cooking today, so I'm losing words. The tomatoes are going to get soft, then I add in the cabbages. These are the cabbages. Cooking on a construction site is hard because you don't have everything. These are the cabbages. Then we'll add with some avocado. So the rice is here. Take anything you want. Anything. This is all ready. It's almost ready. I'll just give it like 2 full minutes. Then we just serve. So the food is ready. Matilde is going to serve us. I can't wait to eat. You know, when I ate at Mama Felicia's, I thought I was full.
Serving, I don't know why. She says what? The owner of the home is the one to serve. So I'm just honoring her request. Let me serve, though. It is your work, actually, you guys.
That is not my work, Matilde. You know what happened? Then I refused to serve people when I cook.
What happened?
Every time when I cook, when I'm starting to cook, I like we are 5. Then when I'm finishing, we are like 20 or 30.
So you cook less meals.
So I cook less meal. You know, sometimes you go there to only cook for 5 people.
Yeah, and by the end of it, you don't know where people come from.
By the end of the video, you don't know where some other people came from. So I was just like, no, this is not my work. So the owner of the home will serve. But today, luckily, we cooked for the people who are around.
Yeah, and they are the only ones.
And they're the only ones. We don't have visitors today.
I I hope I'm balancing, madam. You tell. Wako 4, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you and me and the princess.
The princesses.
And the princesses.
The princesses.
The princess is just visualizing somewhere. Oh my god. So let me start placing there. Wow, this food is so delicious, girl.
It looks delicious.
Before, I don't know what.
Before
Water
tasting
catching. Oh, no, like cookie. I'm telling you to
Salivating.
Yeah, salivating, that word.
Yeah.
Wow. Just look at it, guys. And you have not tasted it.
Look at it.
It's
delicious.
Today my muscle got to sing us along. I know them. Fundi Gerald. I'm saucy, but I'm saucy. Msosi jamani, kazi mnaipea jamani, muda. Niambia nikuja nipakue mpaka niache saa nyingine haina. So I have to balance. This balancing is the problem.
That balancing is the problem. That's
balancing the food is the problem, guys.
That's why I resigned.
So, you just so that I can balance.
That's another reason why I resigned from serving.
But just balance. If you
apart from people joining later when I've already cooked and balancing. Yeah, that's the other reason.
Okay.
I can't wait for the avocado. Mama, bring the avocado.
Avocado is right here.
It's here.
Yeah. So now this is the problem I have now.
Just wash it, cut it to pieces, and you know, everyone will sort themselves except the kids can.
You're just minding my kid from afar.
She's breathing. You don't want her to be on.
She's appetizing. Appetizing. Or what? I hope.
And the smoke is always on me.
What?
The smoke is always on me. There's a belief. Yeah, there's a belief in Luo. In Luo culture, that if the smoke is following you,
you're urinating on the the same thing happens with us even here. That's what they say actually.
It's not true, guys. It's not true.
So
I'm not urinating on.
To balance.
Look at that, guys.
Yep. It should be balanced close.
Behind the scenes.
To be balanced.
Yeah, so it looks good, Matilde. This
really
is
good.
This is only 30 shillings.
Imagine. So here life is not that expensive.
It's not.
Oh, it's so small.
No, it's good. It's better than beef times 100.
Okay. I hope I have not. So I've done it, but I will add them if, in case anybody needs an addition. Just get it. Yeah. So push like that. Get that one.
You're a good server. You shouldn't worry.
Right.
You shouldn't worry at all. I was telling them that we are cooking with the 3 stones because the floors are wet today.
Yeah, they are doing screeding, guys. That's why we are cooking outside, or else we could have cooked with our stove.
Okay. We don't have spoons. We had to borrow almost everything. But guys, this is how the food. I think this is one video that I got a chance to show the food. This is how it looks like. Sometimes when I finish food, I've seen some of the comments complaining that you don't see the food. Sometimes if I never get the chance to show the food because I just finish immediately, people start eating. So today I got the chance to show the food. Not even lying, the smoke is following me. The other time I was standing on the other side, and now I'm standing here and it's following me. What the freak?
Okay, so this one does not eat cabbage. I don't know why.
Going to eat rice.
Oh, so it disturbs him. So just understand it. So you just put him there, Makati.
Yeah.
Yeah. So others are coming. See, are you not eating?
I'm
You should also
eating.
eat. Holy.
After eating at
So this wasn't
the way I ate. You know, when I was coming here, I was very full. I was just like, oh, I'm full. But now I'm hungry again. The smell of the food.
So welcome. So
Oh,
it's the first person to say thank you.
I think everyone else is very tired. So, yeah.
They're tired. So you just understand.
Yeah. So the last one is here.
Oh, thank you.
Merci. Merci.
So he tried, he also say thank you. So guys, this is for duty. Now we don't.
You'll share your plate
Yeah,
with your-
I'll share my plate
with your baby girl.
Yeah, with my baby girl. So guys, welcome.
Thank you. Merci. Going, the sun is going down. Guess who is eating twice today? Me. This is a lot of food, but it's like my dinner.
So that's how they're going to do.
Just going to edit and post and go sleep. I check the rice. I check the cabbage. Then I added a little avocado. Oh, it's so good. Like this. Guys, it's at night. So this is the reason why I could not use the indoor stove, and I had to use the 3-stone. So next time, when everything is finished, because the house is still being
doing
screeding, yeah. So screeding was being done today. I could not use this. So tomorrow, by after tomorrow, we can now use the stove, guys, and this place is going to be clean. Yeah. So